Hello students, hope you guys are doing well. So today for math, what you are going to do is you're going to start with a review on 3.4. So like a continued practice on 3.4, we're going to do some extra practice. That way we're just really comfortable with it. You're also going to do some IXL. Before we do move forward though, I would like to show you a short recap video of this lesson. All right, so check this out. Hello students, just want to then warm you up now with one more question, okay? So this is a combination of the things that you should be looking out for. You can go ahead and try to copy this down and then follow along or just do it as I do it as well. So remember, it's a lot of space. You want that paper there. Start with the line to divide. Remember that you're trying to isolate for the x, so you work with this side right here. Minus 6 is where I'm going to start to get rid of that 6 there. I have the minus 6 on the other side. I'm going to be left with negative 5 over 2x. You could see that I'm slowly isolating this, right? If I want to draw an extra line, I don't really teach you guys to use that, but you could use an extra line just to kind of see, oh, now I'm starting fresh. I'm left with 18. Now, this is where you have to remember you are dividing by a negative number, or when you divide or multiply by a negative number, then you need to remember that you're going to switch the symbol. So I'm going to look at the symbol up here, and I remember that I have to switch it, so I'm going to switch it to that. All right. Now I'm going to remember when I push it down later that it is a reversed symbol. So divide by negative 5 over 2. Why? Because I'm getting rid of that. I'm going to extend this line here. So I'm left with x. I'll do this line again. So then I have 18 and divided by negative 5 over 2. For fractions, I love writing it side by side. That's like one of the few things that we would write side by side. Okay, so 18 over 1, let's make it that. I'm going to multiply. Oops, remember that the negative is still there. And then I'm going to have 2 over 5. Then I'm going to have 18 times 2. Let's do it just right here. Let's say we don't have that much more space. 18 times 2 is 36. And 1 times 5 is 5. And remember that addition plus or times subtraction is going to be a negative. I could further simplify that. So let's make it negative 7. And I'm left with the remainder of 1 over 5. So then I add the arrow here. Okay, I got the x. I'm done with that. And I got the negative 7 and 1/5. And then remember that symbol right there. That's what I'm going to bring down. So that's how you remember what symbol you have. So just a reminder that when you do flip back through the notes, that it's a reminder that you pull down the symbol all the way down. And on top of that, when you do have the multiply or divide by negative, you must flip the inequality. Remember that, right? Use the notebook. Use the notebook. Also for fractions, use the notebook as well. Like when you're multiplying, dividing fractions. If you are freezing up and you're forgetting, there's a reason why we write the notes that we do, right? I do hope that you guys can keep carrying it on with you and you have it all accessible in your books. If there's one thing that you keep going back and forth in and you're just like forgetting over and over again, please use my method first of all, unless you really, really have a better one. But if you're stuck, that means you probably don't have one, right? And I would recommend adding little like bookmarks, like little sticky tapes or highlights, just to remember what symbols or which pages you'll constantly go back to. So if you're constantly going back to one page, please add like some kind of tape or some kind of bookmark or anything like that. All right. So I really hope that this is doable for you guys, that you won't struggle too much with this concept moving forward. And I will have that Word document available so that if you do have, you can find it on Teams in one of the assignments. And so if you do have any questions, please make sure that you do throw them into that chat box and then, or into any of the texts. Don't erase anything before that. And I will try to keep adding support whenever I can. All right. Okay, that's it.